This is what $34 a night can get you in Tirana, Albania. All right, so this is our foyer. It's a little smaller than our previous one, but look how many locks there are in this door. Like, nobody is getting in here. So we'll start with the bathroom. So we do have a washing machine again. A toilet, this time with a sprayer. A little sink here, and then our shower. So you have the two options, either rainfall overhead or like the handheld one there in the corner. We do have a giant water heater. All right, and then for the living space, we have a nice table. Chairs are super comfortable. Couch is also super comfortable. Doesn't look like it would be. It's very comfortable. I took naps on this couch. It was awesome. A TV. We actually haven't turned this one on at all, so I have no idea if it's a smart TV or a regular TV or what it is, but out here we have a balcony. So we are hanging up our clothes right now, but this is our view. So you can kind of see the mountains over there. All right, and then the kitchen. No, let me move this door so you can actually see. All right, so not a full-size fridge and freezer, but still plenty of space for what we needed while we stayed here. You've got an oven. Stove top. Now, one of these was cracked, so one of the big burners didn't work, but we were able to use the other burners. And again, I love this use of space. So when you're doing dishes, after you wash them, then this is your drying rack, but it's also storage. So it's like a it's like a one and done type of thing. You have a microwave here. This one does not have a dishwasher, but that was the kitchen. And then here's the bedroom. So it's a queen size bed. Oh, first, this is where we stored our shoes. So we have a queen size bed, very comfortable. This blanket is a weighted blanket. Oh, game changer. I slept so good here. Now here's the closet. So these doors don't work, so we just kind of had to shove our things in on the sides there. And then a window over here. Oh, and these curtains are velvet, so they were very thick. And so it was really nice when you were trying to sleep. But if you guys remember in Georgia, we had windows where it opened up that way, which is cool. I freaking love that. And then it also opens up, you know, the regular way there as well. Oh, now this is something that's new to me, at least in Albania, is they all have these kind of like garage door. Oh, hold on. Let me show you how it works. Okay, let me show you how it works. So during the daytime, right, you can have this open as such. And then if you want some privacy or you want some blackout or you just don't want people in your business, then look, it's like a little garage door that comes down for total and complete privacy. And then when you want to be, you know, social again or have some natural light come in, this comes up. I love this. So we are within walking distance of the big Mother Teresa Hospital, also within walking distance of the American Hospital. So the location is awesome. Just downstairs, there's everything you could need, right? There's laundry, there is market, there's fresh produce, there's a bar, there's a mall, there's a grocery store. Everything you could need is all downstairs on the street. So location, perfect. Now, the apartment itself, while it looks super nice, as you could see, there's some things that don't work. So while I feel like we normally hit home runs on places we stay, this one was not one of the winners. So yeah, one of the burners didn't work. The washing machine actually didn't work either. So we had to take our clothes to a laundromat and then we just hung them up outside. The closet didn't open or close. The Wi-Fi only works here in the living room kitchen. It doesn't reach the bedroom or the bathroom. So there's definitely some improvements I hope the host makes. Because again, this could be a very, very nice apartment if everything works. So as always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Leave me a comment. What do you think about those garage doors on the windows? As you can tell, I'm super excited about them. It's the first time I've seen them on a like properties or houses, and they're very common here. They're in our last apartment. In this one, when I look around, I see them everywhere. I love it. Anyways, leave a comment, and the next video will be right here in 3, 2, 1.